back with the boys, with all the guys, Big Bro, Big Mike. We at this little car show, man. Tell them how the car show going so far, Big Bro.
Hey. About to die.
Let's see what they got going on. Up in South Chicago Heights at a town near you. Tell them how you coming, Mike. With the slides on. Look, Lee trying to cut. He pulled his toes back. We outside, man. South Chicago Heights. At my boy Car Wash. Off Salt Trail. You say what?
Shell pops bring the AMG.
Funny as hell. Big Bro, tell them how you coming.
Tell them how you coming, Big Bro.
Big G, shit, I'm on my big shit. What up, boy? Come. More cars down here. What you say it smell like, Big Bro?
Number Black and Miles and
We got all the cool shit out. They outside today. Come on. Got Big Bro out though. Tell them what you doing, man.
Where your car at?
Out here, man. 5-7 in the back. We got the vet over here. He pulled in with us.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, he leaving. Motherfuckers outside.
Pack like a Mario Kart course. Got this memorized. I'm coming up there, slide all the way down there, turn around, try to get wild right here a little bit.
You said,
Go down there, come back, and park there, and park there.
you said you come in at like 3 in the morning when it's closed and do your little.
For real, every day.
What y'all talking about, man?
You talking about, you know this? You said you listen to Kodak? But then I had to think about it. French Montana is more so closer than his. I fuck with Kodak.
They go, whatchamacallit? They got the washes going on. Come get your wash. Come get your wash. Off Salt Trail, South Chicago Heights. Can't miss it.
I know one nigga that used to dance me, then I know he broke. Grab some bad shit, no shit, but boy, you know who's that. These hoes all over the area. I like Malcolm in the middle. Ain't graduate from there, I ain't graduate from Butchman. I'm going hard and with you, ready, the chickens are not orange. This is not a wrong.
Y'all know about that. Money Man Lee. With the Harold's chicken on deck. Y'all come get y'all chicken.
You know it ain't no car meat for black people if Harold's ain't here. Come on now.
We posted up over here. Charlie.
You know we pulling out there?
This one.
Hell yeah, boy.
Me.
Yeah, today.
Big Bro. Big Bro. We doing that.
I just noticed that. You don't want nobody coming through here anyway. Just noticed that.
Mike, how many times you lost to me, bro?
Never.
How many times you lost to me in that motherfucker right there?
Never.
How many times this motherfucker
Never.
beat you, Mike?
Right, I think that motherfucker had a Hellcat below.
I'm 7-2 to this nigga.
The all black.
Hold on, say it again.
Them low ass shorts. Shorts on.
Come on, man. He about to hit that Chicago footwork. Do. Come on, man. Show them the red key, bro.
Stop
Come on, man. They see what's going on.
This ugly,
Come on,
though.
man. They all got red keys, bro.
Calm down. Who's look newer, though?
Y'all don't know me. I'm on his shit, though, but
Who's look newer?
this how our shit look.
He got the
It's a black
so
key.
slight.
It's
We all
carbon
got
fiber,
black
though.
keys, ain't
You feel me?
You don't got the red key with the red.
21. Nah.
They start making they start making cats when they get red keys, bro. Now, they got the
My brother's still learning, y'all. I got him to get one of these. He's still learning, though. It's a little beat up, but it get him to where he needs to go. That's all that matter. He bought it. It looked better than this, though. It's just a little messed up. But follow my brother, man. Snapchat. Follow bro. TikTok, Instagram. Y'all see the back. Y'all know my socials. Follow me on all social platforms. Bro. My boy SRT Mikey. We just having a good time, man.
what I did, that the first thing they see is all these. That's a V6. That was your V6.
Old school's coming in.
He ain't gonna do it. He ain't gonna do it.
How you gonna slap on it?
You say I don't put my hands on my wife.
How you gonna slap on the booty though?
I don't even do all that, bro. My son would. Instantly, as soon as you start recording. What type of freak man is this?
Freak man, freak man. Yeah, that's him.
I feel like I've seen this car before. That's why I wanted to look at it.
Probably so. Oh damn. He ain't stopped. Daytona package.
She got
Hell
Daytona
yeah.
6. This ain't no thing.
We see it all though. He better put that hood on. He trying to hide them mods. We got the SS in the cut.
How you doing?
How you doing? SS in the cut. I actually like these cars. Just
Which one you like the
prefer
best?
my Charger.
Other than yours, obviously.
Other than my
Other
car.
than any of your homies, too. Somebody random that you don't know like that.
Other than my
Yeah,
car.
what's the best car in here?
I'll probably rock the SS.
Just look wise. Just look wise.
I'll rock the SS.
We started off with 80 pounds, and we're down to about 15.
That look good.
Running soda store, just looked up, you ain't even
Tweaking
the
over
band,
there.
sipping purple rain. RIP Chris, you drinking green like lantern. Only got some money when it's safe time, I done seen this pattern. She caught a hat and lit a square just to calm his nerves. Yo, bitch was borrowed with my conscience, she knew all the words. You can do it through the window, now I hit them all and splurge. They walked in with a pint of quake and I done caught the urge. Bitches the militia, it's
Lee,
shit to call my dog.
what's your favorite car here other than yours? Other than yours.
God forgive me though.
I took this SF. Which one you rocking?
You know what time it is, balaclava and big
That?
where buddy money go, I guess them stimmies go. What goes around?
Which one you taking, bro?
Nah, I'm taking what's his name shit over there. That motherfucking with the wide body kit on it.
Oh, the Lions kid? Okay.
Okay.
Which one you taking?
Taking that purple one right there.
That's bro ass. He just pulled up.
That used to be that shit, boy.
Everybody rocking purple. They should have had them line up. All the purples. He should have parked in front of him. Yeah. Some more stuff back here. Nothing crazy though. This the one Leak taking, Mike. Which one your favorite car here so far? Besides yours. Besides yours. All right, bro. I'm cutting that out.
I feel like that too when I get my hair. Okay, I ain't gonna lie.
So you don't like this one? Mike, you not taking this one?
On my mama.
He said, on my mama.
What that 300? What that?
Nigga, ain't nobody record me when I did my little flyby. I did y'all.
Wasn't thinking about it.
Hey, bro.
Still twerking shit down there.
Just like they do they doing burnouts over there. Damn, he flying. I thought that was a cop how fast he was going.
Don't got no Rangos over here, bro.
Creep close enough.